do is you take out these little mini bolts around the airbox. Pop that shit like that. Put on this side. After that, we're just gonna take off the air filter. Just pop it right out. Okay, so for the air filter, there's this little clipper here. So that's gonna be facing down. It's gonna go in that little groove right here. So we're gonna go, and then this thing literally just goes on it. Let's go ahead and give it that first. Goes on it. I want to make sure it goes in that little groove. Like so. Okay. I don't know if you can see it. Yeah, kind of. So next, we're gonna put the cover back on. So it really just goes on top of it. Make sure the bolts go in this little holes to tighten it. Okay. So now with the 8mm, I'm gonna go ahead and tighten it. Okay. The last one's right here.